What a beautiful day to begin with. Thank you so much for being with us, and I hope you really enjoy this beautiful sound. Oh, cool. There is no doubt that this 2020 years there are many movies about startup, and today I'm going to because I recently watched the Korean series Startup, bagged a good rating and especially good story. So here today I'm going to review another movie similar to like this, because that guy, it's a biography of a guy gave a TED talk also, and Malesham. It's a story about weaving industry, thread weaving industry, because how the women do it in the rural areas, villages. They did it with the hand. So the protagonist, his mother, gone through a very hard time because her whole life she has been doing this, and she has a ligament problem here, and most of the people in their village, they go through this problem. But the problem is that there is no one who could give a solution. So this boy comes up with the solution that I really wanted to make it a machine, or make it a something easy form for the people who are working like my mother in all these villages, who gone through so much problems. They should have a flexible working environment. Since his uncle and his cousins in the childhood, they gave up on their life because of the debt on them and the situation around them. This is a very big problem when SME, we call them, I really wanted to say them because they are small medium enterprise, when they are not being given at least a share of their happiness. So they will work, then the upper chain will also work very well, but most of the time it happens that the upper administrations and all those people, they earn from their sweat. So this protagonist, the actor, wanted to do something, but every time he wanted to do something, something jinxed up or something happened that will not favor him, his family, and entire. So his friends are very good. It's very, the authenticity of the movie, I really like it because it's very same. There is no something that doesn't feel like it is not from village. So they are being helpful, and they found out that their parents are just like this. They don't understand what we really wanted for them, because even though they wanted to do something very good, it doesn't happen. So now what happens, these things are not in favor. Then he wanted to give up on education also, but somehow the rural master helped him, and at least you should have this dictionary to learn something. The first thing is, they don't want to get an education, because once they will get an education, they will not be there for them. The second thing is, they will not get the money. If they will get the money, they will do something else. So somehow the system is developed like this. They will become the slave of the system that they have created for us. And this guy wanted to come out of it. For many years, the things happen like this. And then comes his wife, and he was also in a big debt, wanted to finish up his life. Then comes the vision that he should make things more worse. Why not he go to the city and work? So he gets his wife, goes to the city, trying to do odd jobs. He's not happy because he is not that person who is extrovert or something, like who could shout out, good at marketing. So he has to have a personality. And there comes a guy who said that you are not good at marketing. At least you should have, there should be some person who should tell you that what you can do and what you cannot do. Because if you are doing the wrong thing at the right time and right thing at the wrong time, and somebody doesn't, that's why critics are for there. And if nobody will criticize you, what will happen? You will end up something that you really don't want to do. And then he said it is not happening, because he wanted to be a rickshaw driver and he cannot ask people. And even the people who come in the middle of the night, they don't want to pay. Then he said, you're too soft for this job. and then he wanted to sell the flowers, and he cannot shout. And the same guy made it, and you are too soft for this job also. He threw all the flowers, and then he said, what is happening with me? What I can. And then he was hit with the accident. He wanted to do the, what is that, the van one also. And he was hit with an accident. He was in the hospital bed, and then there he met a guy. He works in a construction sector, electrical engineering company, and he says that what you are doing it. See, that's the benefit of communication. When you communicate with some people, you will really find the idea. So he said, you could do that? Yeah, you can do that. He said, I don't know the English very well, but at least I know whatever I studied, and I will help you. He said, you're very good, you help me. So why not I get you a job? And he is very happy. He goes and works in the same company, and then he asks his friend to help him more. His friend knows that he is from the village and he is a very simple guy. He helps him. So it's a very blessing of God if you really have good friends around you who could support you in the hardest times of your life. And then he helps him and goes back, get the machine. No matter things were very against him, father burnt his machine, so the wooden one is gone. And there we get another idea also, that sometimes if bad things happen, they happen with the reason to give you a good direction. So he goes to on the right direction, because what happens if the wooden one is burnt? Now he is going to get the iron machine. And then it was very hard for him to get the instruments, and then again his friends help him, and then he work on it, and he was so desperate, and one time he gave up and he sold it. But his wife said that at least go back and get that one. So he goes to the scrap shop and get all the things. So once you do good to others, the good deeds will return to you. It happens there also. And the girl who got the flowers from him help him, and he fixes the machine and brings that machine back to a village. But going through all, he has to go through so many studies also, and he sometimes get upset. He goes to the university and asks them that I just make this blueprint and a map, and you should help me. But they say it costs money. And then he picks the idea, and after picking the idea, he fixes the machine. He goes back into the same village and shows them what he accomplished during all these years. The road to success is always hard, and if you have peaceful life and you don't have challenges, you are definitely on the wrong direction. Either you are getting from someone, or maybe you are taking things for granted that are given to you right now. Make the maximum out of it, but you are getting it right now, because sooner or later, if these things will run away from your hand, how you will survive? Malesham is all about it. So kindly like, share and subscribe, and press the bell icon for more notifications. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.